2 plus 2 equal to 4. This is true because this is true and this is also true because it's the same statement. Remember, mathematical logic or mathematics is about truth, not efficiency. This is not efficient. In fact, in its place we can simply write 2 plus 2 equal to 4. We do not lose any information. We are not losing anything by just simply writing this like this. So this is more efficient, but we are not concerned about efficiency here. We are concerned about truth. Okay. So that point of efficiency and usefulness came up there. Now, and that is because truth is objective, efficiency is subject to opinion. What is efficient to you may not be efficient enough to someone else. Sorry. Now there is a symbol for denoting this. Instead of writing x and y, you can also write x wedge y. It's a symbol that represents x and y. This and this, they have the same meaning. So this is used in mathematical logic sometimes. Now the next way of combining two mathematical statements is disjunction. For statements x, y, the statement, you may have guessed it already. Once and appears, the other one is or. Okay, x or y is called their disjunction. It is defined to be true if at least one of x or y is true, or I may write like this: if x or y is true, or both are true, and is defined to be false if both x, y are false. So this is disjunction. Once you have two statements x and y, x or y, this is another logical connective, or, then this is their disjunction. This is called their disjunction. Now this compound statement is defined to be true if either x is true or y is true, or both x and y are true, and is defined to be false only if both x and y are false. So just like the previous examples, we can consider examples like this: 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, or 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. This is one statement. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, or 3 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, or 3 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the first compound statement is true because both x and y are true. The second compound statement is also true because x is true although y is false. However, the third compound statement is false because both x and y are false. So this is true, this is false. Now, just like the previous example, here also we can have or 2 plus 2 equal to 4. We can consider this. This is true and it is nothing but this simple statement 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Again, we are not concerned about efficiency, so we can write as many ors, or we can in fact form disjunction of not just two statements but continue with many statements, but same statement x or x or x, although it does not accomplish anything, but nevertheless it's true if x is true, because we are concerned only about truth or falsity and not about efficiency or usefulness. Now, apart from these two ways of getting a new statement out of two statements, there is another thing